1. Mushroom and spinach stir-fry. Start your weight loss journey with a simple and delicious mushroom and spinach stir-fry. Sauté sliced mushrooms and fresh spinach in olive oil with garlic for a nutrient-packed side dish. Mushrooms add a meaty texture without the extra calories. 2. Grilled portobello mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms are a great low-calorie substitute for meat. Marinate them in balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and herbs, then grill for a satisfying and savory meal. These mushrooms are rich in flavor and provide a hearty texture. 3. Mushroom and vegetable skewers. Create skewers with a variety of vegetables, including mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers. Grill or roast them for a flavorful and low-calorie option that's high in fiber and vitamins. 4. Mushroom and zucchini noodles. Spiralize zucchini into noodles and sauté them with sliced mushrooms for a light and satisfying alternative to traditional pasta. This dish is low in carbohydrates and calories, making it a great choice for weight loss. 5. Mushroom and kale salad. Combine sautéed mushrooms with fresh kale, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette dressing for a nutrient-dense salad. Mushrooms add a savory element, while kale provides essential vitamins and minerals. 6. Stuffed mushrooms with quinoa. Prepare a filling and nutritious dish by stuffing mushrooms with a mixture of cooked quinoa, vegetables, and herbs. Baked to perfection, these stuffed mushrooms are a tasty and low-calorie option. 7. Creamy mushroom soup with cauliflower. Create a creamy and satisfying mushroom soup using cauliflower as a base instead of heavy cream. Cauliflower adds creaminess without the extra calories, making it a comforting yet weight loss-friendly option. 8. Mushroom and broccoli medley. Sauté mushrooms and broccoli in a light olive oil and garlic mixture for a quick and flavorful side dish. Both vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrients, making this medley a healthy addition to your meals. 9. Eggplant and mushroom ratatouille. Combine sliced eggplant, mushrooms, tomatoes, and other vegetables in a ratatouille-style dish. This flavorful and colorful medley is rich in antioxidants and low in calories, supporting your weight loss goals. 10. Spaghetti squash with mushroom marinara. Roast spaghetti squash and top it with a homemade mushroom marinara sauce. This low-calorie alternative to traditional pasta is both satisfying and packed with nutrients, making it a perfect choice for those looking to lose weight.